Yes, hello, greetings, people. This is the latest update where they happen for the southeast. Guys, this one a fresh one between the chief of army staff and Simon Ekpa, the PM of the indigenous people of Biafra. Una know say a few days ago, the chief of army staff come out, tell the whole world, tell Nigerians say they don't finally stop the sit at home where they happen for southeast every Mondays. This morning, the PM of the indigenous people of Biafra, Simon Ekpa, don't come out, can't reply the chief of army staff. I go first of all play on the video waiting chief of army staff tell Nigerians, and I will come play on the video waiting Simon Ekpa can't reply, give the man. Settle down, calm down, watch this video, I beg as you watch this video, drop me your opinion for the comment section, what do you think about this update, and I beg, share and make other Nigerians for know waiting the sub for southeast. Calm down, settle down, watch the video, guys. I will be right back.
And other related crimes in the northwest, the insurgency and the terrorism in the northeast, farmers leaders clashes, kidnapping in the north central, the insurrection that is brewing in the southeast, and even economic sabotage and associated crimes in the south region. So we're not going to leave any of these zones unprotected or without attention. We will continue to conduct our operations under the auspices of Operation Adad in Daji in the northwest, and our intent is to upscale manpower and equipment in all these various theaters so that quickly we can bring the much desired peace, stability and relief to law-abiding citizens.
I want to make it very clear this evening that our sit at home every Monday remain that way. We have not cancelled it. We are not even thinking of cancelling it until Nnamdi, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is released and he walks free as a free man. Apart from that, the sit at home continues, only that we are adding to already to that particular measure, we are adding more of the civil disobedience starting from the 18th of this month, with the curfew, the 3 weeks curfew, starting from 6 a.m. to 12 noon every day, apart from the Saturdays and Sundays. I want everyone to understand that from tonight, we have banned the use of Nigeria plate number, any federal government or state government plate number in entire Biafra territory. Any plate number bearing federal government of Nigeria, and you see it in Biafra land, impound it. I have come this evening to update Biafrans, and of course, in addition to that, make a very special announcement as we move forward on this liberation of our nation. Today, we have recorded a very big, tremendous success in the liberation of Biafra. Those who have come to our land to kill, maim, and enforce the disappearance of our children and mothers who had been neutralized this afternoon by the Biafra Liberation Army. And this particular delegitimization of the Nigeria government continues.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.